Hey, Miss Alana here, and we are working on math. I know you're working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day. So we're working on soccer math. This is soccer sheet about Messi, famous soccer player, and we are today going to be working on his height. Information about his height, things we could do, math we could do with his height. So the first thing before we get started, handy dandy ruler. I have my ruler. Do you know how long this ruler is? This ruler is 1 foot long, which is the same thing as 12 inches. So a ruler has two measurements on it. It has inches on one side and centimeters on the other side. For this first question, this is part 1, we are going to look at the inches side right there. Okay, so let's take a look at this. It says, how tall is he? He is 5'7". And that 5'7" means that he is 5 feet 7 inches tall. 5 feet means 5 of these and then 7 more inches to right there. So if I took 5 rulers, where are my other rulers? If I took 5 of these and just lined them up, stacked them on top of each other from the ground, and then 7 more inches, that's how tall he would be. So let's look at this first question. It says, how tall is he measured in inches? Okay, so we're not just looking at the 7 inches. We have to convert. Convert means to change from one unit to the other. So we need to turn the 5 feet also into inches. So let's look at our clues. It says right here, oh, right there's one clue. It says 1 foot, that's the abbreviation, FT, equals 12 inches. So we need that conversion. Now at this point, you should already know that. If not, put it in your mind, put it in your brain so you will know. To convert his height into inches, multiply the number of feet by 12, then add the number of inches. So this is a 2-step problem, multi-step. That means it's more than 1 step. I need to do 2 steps. So what is the first step? The first step is to multiply right there. The first operation we have to do is to multiply. Multiply what? The number of feet by 12. So let's set up that part of the problem first. I am going to use parentheses to help you separate that from the rest. So we're going to multiply the number of feet. He's how many feet tall? 5 feet tall. So I need to do 5 times 12. Now, since I'm doing that first, I am going to enclose it in some parentheses, because you always do what's in the parentheses first. Then what do? Then we are going to add the number of inches. So how many more inches was he outside of the 5 feet? He was 5'7", 5 feet 7 inches. So we do that plus 7. Okay? So we do this part first. What is 5 times 12? So you can either skip count by 5, skip count by 12, or you can already know that in your mind. And if not, please practice all your times table facts so you can get quicker and faster and be like, bam, like lightning so fast. So 5 times 12 is 60, and then we add 7. And what is 60 plus 7? 60 plus 7, that's so easy, is 67. 67 what? 67 inches. So I am going to write a sentence because I'm awesome like that. So if you're awesome like that too, make sure you write a sentence. He is 67 inches. Inches what? Inches tall. He is 67 inches tall. That means if I have my 100 ruler and I look at the inches, there's from 0 to 1. I need 67 of those measurements, of those lengths to show how tall he is. So this is part 1. Check out the next video for part 2 if you need that help. And check out the other videos. Get your work done. Get smarter and smarter every day. See you then.